Welcome back to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo. When I'm not fighting crime, I'm fighting friction. Just got back from a great ride on the 2020 KTM 300 XCW TPI behind me here. So, still got my gear on, still got a little dirt, all right, need a shower. But I thought I would show off, and I really wanted to hear from you, wanted to show off, when I did the top end on this, I wanted to show you the piston and see what you think of the piston and rings here. So let me go ahead and show you. All right, so here it is. This is the piston after 104 hours of heavy off-road abuse. Let me keep spinning this thing around. Now, my understanding, the book asks you to do a top end every 80 hours. I pushed it. Of course, I got busy. I wanted to ride. But show you everything in here. All right. Okay. Take a look at the top. All right. Got a little bit of carbon buildup. Now, I know it's TPI, right? So the computer and the ECU is deciding how much fuel and oil and air it gets. So it's a little harder to change unless you get in there and start playing with the maps. So, but let me know, comment below and tell me what you think of this piston, what you think of this top end here after 104 hours of heavy abuse, just beating it up. Now, I've never raced it, but we do get into some pretty gnarly A-level trails, lugging everything, slipping the clutch, really just beating it up and doing what it is designed to do. So, also, to give you some context, the only things that I've done to this, so I run the AMSOIL synthetic interceptor, high performance synthetic 2-stroke oil, perfect for, you know, your snowmobiles, your dirt bikes, your motorcycles, direct fuel injected engines. All right, went with this because it does meet that electronic fuel injection right there, and then your spec, which is the JSO FD, the JSO FD spec. All right, so this is what I run here. This is what goes into the oil tank reservoir right there. And then the only other thing that I've done is I've added the AMSOIL Quick Shot. Now, I use this regularly. This bottle's a little open here, but I use this regularly all the time in my fuel just to prevent those nasty ethanol issues, clean up all those deposits, fight the ethanol. You want to stabilize your fuel, prevent the phase separation that you're going to get when the fuel sits, because here in Maryland, everything we have is 10% ethanol. All right, so this does a really, really great job. So currently I have a little over 127 hours on this. I really want to know from you what you think when I should do my next top end. So I'm at 127, did it at 104. We'll do the math. What do we think? Is 80 hours too soon? Is it not enough? Could I have gone a little bit further with this? You tell me. Really curious to hear from you out there. I love following the forums, the Facebook groups. Everybody likes to post those pictures. So all you experts out there, let me know what you think. Please comment below. So, but if you're happy with this, because I am, the bike runs incredible. I just ended up putting in some AMSOIL Power Foam for the first time. You have to see my other video here, right here. I went and applied the AMSOIL Power Foam. But if you're looking to get your piston, your rings, your top end looking nice and clean like this, I believe it is. So AMSOIL right here, synthetic interceptor. You can easily get yours. Click on the link below, become an AMSOIL preferred customer, and we'll save you 25% off of our retail price. We'll give you free shipping right to your doorstep, anything over 100 bucks. Great program. Make sure you click on that link below. And please make sure you plug in my referral number. My referral number, this way you'll be working with me and it helps support the family. Really appreciate it. My referral number, 164-9274. 164-9274. Again, all those links are below. If you have maybe a repair shop, a parts store, you'd like to get an even bigger discount, we have an even more advantageous program. we'll get you on our retail program, get you set up with that. And if you have a fleet, maybe if you're a rider, you own a trucking company, a landscape company, or if you're even tied to municipality somehow, we can get you an even bigger discount as well, with additional volume discounts on top of it. So great program. Those links are below. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Love to hear from you. Let me know what you think, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. And I'm going to keep on running, and we'll see what it does. Well, I don't know. See if I still have the bike and see if I can get to the next top end. Things are slowing down. Kids are kicking in, and hey, that's life, right? But thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you later.